everyone. This video is to understand the time complexity of merge sort. Okay, so the time complexity is what naturally the time which is required to perform that particular task, or the time which is required to execute that particular instruction. So that is what generally time complexity is. So now this is the list of elements what it is given to sort using of merge sort algorithm. Now these are what 10 elements, right? So that I am calling as n size. Now this n size is get divided into two parts, so which are proportional to the log n, right? If you apply log in both the sides, your n number of elements will get split into two parts in the initial status. That means again also you will divide into two parts. Again also you will divide it into two parts. If you see here, we will divide the whole list into two parts. That means n number of elements will get divided into two parts. Now, whatever elements will get divided, that is of n by 2, that we will be calling as log n. So, splitting means log n. And this is what actually splitting, that is dividing the whole list into two parts. So, the time complexity will be what? Two parts, right? That means log n will take, that is what, n by 2. But when you are combining back, you have to combine all n elements. That means the complexity of merge sort is n into log n. So we'll represent big O of n log n is the worst time complexity of merge sort. And even this is of average and best also, because though the list is sorted manner, we will be going to divide it. We are not checking whether it is sorted or not sorted in the initial step. As the moment when you receive the list of elements, immediately you will be splitting into these parts. So when you come to this step, you will be comparing it. So up to that step you are not doing it. So before the list is, after the list is given, you are dividing it. That is of log n. So when you want to combine it, you are going back, right? So that is of n log n, and this is of worst and best and average. So the time complexity of merge sort is big O of n log n. Okay. Thank you all.